See students, this is the app Punjab Educare. Here you are having many things: teacher station, students corner, PAS. Open this PAS corner. Then there is a PAS revision quiz. Look, right here we are having maths and Punjabi only. Now because we have to do revision of English, you have to scroll down, more down, more down, more down. Come here. Yes, so this is PAS based material of economics, English, political science. This is PAS based material plus 2 English. Open it. Reading comprehension, determiners part 2, non-finite. Right? You can open anything. See determiners part 1. You can download this file. PDF file will be there. You can solve it, revise it. Then again this comprehension. I have already sent PDF file of comprehension to you still. If you have misplaced or you want to revise, you can do it. Fine. So here comes this. Now PAS based material of +1. In this white we are having reading comprehension only. It doesn't mean that just comprehension will be asked, because it covers the syllabus also. Let me tell you how to do or how to revise the syllabus. So first you have to scroll back, go back, go to students corner or teachers corner. You can go to anywhere. Senior secondary, because you belong to senior secondary wing. Then humanities group 10+2. Humanities means arts. English 10+2. Here you can see the syllabus, bi-monthly syllabus. You will get till August. So you have to cover till August. You can see the chapters. Now how to revise these chapters? What you have to do? You have to go to question bank. Right? You can see question bank, or you can do online quiz. Now third chapter is there. If you want to attempt online quiz of this chapter, click here. In this way you can revise, students. See. Fine. Now this was chapter, and here is the question bank. This is the question bank. These are questions related to Hassan, then March King. Then you can get enough question. Fine. So in this way you can revise. And if you have some problem or you have some doubt, you can watch video lectures. If you have missed those lectures, you can revise them again. Then grammar and translation, you are going to get till 75 sentences, 1 to 25, 26 to 50, 51 to 71. Just you can revise from here. You must be having grammar books at home. If you are not having, you can revise from here, don't worry. Fine. This is how you can prepare for your PAS test. And you can refresh yourself, revise the syllabus time and again. If you have any problem, you can ask your teacher also. Okay.